An in-loco inspection took place at the Middelpos informal settlement in Saldanha on the west coast. This in connection with the trial regarding the disappearance of Joshlin Smith. Corbin August is our reporter on the ground. Thanks very much, Corbin, for joining us. So what is the latest where you are? What did you observe in terms of that inspection?
Well, yes, good day to you and to the viewers. Of course, the trial into the disappearance of little Joshlin Smith here in Saldanha on the west coast is continuing. And during court proceedings today, the station commander of Saldanha presented his evidence, and he gave his version of events and his recollection of what transpired over those first few days and that initial search in those first couple of days when they were looking for Joshlin. The station commander indicating that there were hundreds of law enforcement officers from various law enforcement agencies who were searching, and up to nearly 200 detectives who were part of that search looking for Joshlin and just scanning through this whole area here in Saldanha. Midway through court proceedings this morning, the judge indicated that a loco-inspection would be conducted, and we have just gotten back to the court after we visited the Middelpos informal settlement along with the court officials, the defense, the state, and the judge. And they were, of course, visiting this area so that they can ascertain more details around the circumstances and the area and the living conditions of the accused and also of little Joshlin, who went missing. During the visit and during that local inspection, the first house dwelling that we stopped at was the dwelling that little Joshlin was living in. And the judge did the inspection there, and the state, along with the defense, had their opportunity to ask the questions that they thought could be relevant in connection with that area and the house. And during the local inspection, they also visited a number of other houses which they thought might be of interest and might be important, either now or later at a later stage during the case. But what stood out during the testimony of the station commander this morning was that he indicated that during one of his engagements with Joshlin's mother, Kelly Smith, when she visited the police station here in Saldanha, she actually told him in her own words that her child had made her famous. And he repeated this a number of times. So this is what the station commander here at Saldanha says in relation to that engagement with Joshlin's mother, Kelly Smith, that she actually said that Joshlin's disappearance and her child had made her famous. Another something else that he also said was that when she was offered accommodation during the search for her child, she insisted that the accommodation be made available for her boyfriend as well. Now, of course, Kelly Smith, along with her boyfriend, Middelpos, and the third accused, Stefano van Rijn, are on trial, and they are facing charges of kidnapping and trafficking. And Joshlin is yet to be found. The search continues for her. With that, back to you in studio.
Thank you so much, my colleague there, Corbin August. And of course, Joshlin has been missing for over a year now.